Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today we're checking out how you can change to the new user interface or switch back to the old user interface. Here you can see I have the old user interface. This is version 83. You're going to want to go into your settings, scroll down to experimental, and you'll see right there where it says enable navigator. If you click that, that's going to allow you to use the new navigator that they are testing out and switch to it. You're going to need to restart your headset, so click on that. Once it restarts, you're going to bring up into this. You'll see probably like a chats or a horizon, but you can click on the meta button there, and this is going to be the new user interface. We got our different selections on the left side there that you can see to scroll between your different apps. And on the right side, it shows you how many pages of apps you have here in your library. On the bottom, you have your profile, home, worlds, people, quick controls, and notifications. Pretty easy. If you need to switch back to the old UI, again, go to that settings, scroll down to experimental, and just disable that navigator, and then you'll restart and you'll be good to go. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.